Good day everyone, you're watching RayTube Fixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to download standalone WhatsApp application on your Windows machine. In order to do that, you will have to open browser. In the address bar, you will have to type www.whatsapp.com/download. I will also put this link in the video description. Now, as soon as you hit enter, it will take you to the official WhatsApp page, and on this page you will have an option to download WhatsApp on your Windows and also on Mac machine, and alternatively you also have download WhatsApp on your iPhone and also Android devices. Now, only prerequisite to install WhatsApp on your Windows machine is your Windows needs to be Windows 8 or higher, either 32-bit or a 64-bit version of Windows. Now, for that, in order to download it, you will have to click. Right now, I have a Windows 64-bit. It is automatically detecting Windows 64-bit, and you will have to click on download for Windows. Now, that will download the exe file for WhatsApp on your machine. As soon as the download is complete, all you have to do is run the executable file. Now, let's wait for the download to complete. As soon as the download is complete, you will see on your download manager, it would be either on at the bottom left corner. If you don't see the executable file right at the bottom of your screen, you can go to the downloads folder and open that file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on this file. In case if you get a user access prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now, this is applicable only if your user access control is enabled on your Windows. So right now you would see that the WhatsApp has been successfully installed on the computer. Now what you will have to do is, in order to get your WhatsApp message on the computer, what you will have to do is you will have to open WhatsApp on your computer, tap the menu or three dotted lines, or settings, or the gear icon on your phone, and click on WhatsApp web on your phone. As soon as you will see a QR code which needs to be scanned. So what you will have to do is you will have to, as soon as you scan the QR code, the WhatsApp on your phone will be linked on your Windows machine. So this is how you can go ahead and install and use WhatsApp on your computer. Now, in order to as this is a standalone application, you can start drafting a message, creating a group, and the same thing will be linked on your phone. So whatever messages you have on your phone will be displayed on this application. In case if you don't see WhatsApp on your Windows machine, what you can also do is you can go to search and type WhatsApp and launch the WhatsApp application on your Windows machine. In case you can also create a shortcut on your desktop, or you can also pin it on the taskbar. So all you have to do is you will have to do a right click and pin to taskbar. That will be right here in the taskbar, and whenever you start your computer, you can double click on this WhatsApp icon, and that should launch the WhatsApp on your Windows 10 machine. Now, as a note, in order to use WhatsApp on your Windows 10 machine, your phone needs to be connected to the internet, and so as your Windows machine. Unless you have your phone and the Windows connected to the internet, you will not be able to use this application. I hope you like this video. In case if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.